Hello guys, welcome to Dev Dynamo again. So this is a basic introduction to this serverless with MongoDB uh, CI/CD pipeline series. So in this series, first we will see the serverless AWS Lambda with MongoDB. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. In this series, we will integrate Lambda with MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database, to build a to-do application. This setup allows for scalable, efficient handling of tasks without the overhead of server maintenance. So after that, we will see AWS Secret Manager. So how to integrate that? So AWS Secret Manager helps you manage access to sensitive data like API keys and database credential security. Uh, we will explore how to use Secret Manager to handle credential, ensuring our to-do app remains secure without hard coding sensitive information into our code. This service is essential for maintaining data confidentially and integrity. After that, we will see deployment. So deployment involves moving our to-do app from a development setting to productions. This process includes configuration, the environment, deploying code, and ensuring the application is accessible to the user. We'll go through step-by-step instruction to deploy our serverless application, encouraging best practices for smooth launch. After that, we will implement Jenkins CI/CD pipelines with GitHub webhooks. Jenkins is an open source automation server that helps automate the part of the software development related to building, testing, and deploying, facilitating continuous integrity and continuous delivery. In this segment, we will set up a CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins, which will automate our deployment process and improve productivity and code quality. Okay. So, thank you for watching this episode to introduction to serverless. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe to Dev Dynamo AK and share it with your friends and colleagues to help them understand these powerful technologies too. Stay tuned for more content and don't forget to hit the bell notifications to update it on new release.